Pankaj, how has Get Known changed your company MediaGuard in the last 100 days?
गेट नोन में अभी मैंने एक एग्जीबिशन किया था, दैट वाज एशियाज बिगेस्ट एग्जीबिशन फॉर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन। वहाँ पे कम से कम 30 से 25 लोग आए जो इंडिया लेवल पे अलग अलग लोकेशन से आ रहे थे। और मैंने बोला हमने आपका वीडियो देखा है, हमने आपका वीडियो देखा है। एक बंदे फ़ोन पे बात कर रहा था, उसने अपनी वाइफ को बोला आई विल कॉल यू लेटर, और काट दिया और एकदम मेरे को पकड़ लिया और बोले सर मैंने आपका वीडियो देखा था, आपका फॉर्म इतनी बार भरा लेकिन वो हर बार आता है इट्स नॉट फिट फॉर मीडिया। गेट नोन डेफिनेटली इट्स हेल्पिंग मी, एंड वो दो चीज़ें कर रखी है। एड्स पे तो काम चल ही रहा है, उसके अलावा गेट नोन वीडियोस भी हैं, उनको भी हम फुल प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स हेल्पिंग अ लॉट।
So tell me that, Manmeet, you tell me that for Get Known, how much time do you think can be shaved off from your client first getting to know that WebEasy exists to handing over the check?
Okay, can you reframe?
Sales cycle.
Right.
किसी ने पहली बार देखा चाफी कंपनी और आपके बारे में सुना है, and multiple calls having and all of that. And but when they see videos like audio techno videos, fast time is reduced because they already know your value system and what you do.
I think it can be reduced almost that you can make the sale in the first call, is because the idea is that when they see your videos, when they see your value, they should be sold before they come to the call. I don't have to make the effort to make the sale. When they come on the call, they should be talking about, like Padmaji mentioned yesterday, that how can you help me?
Yeah.
So they are sold already. So the call that might go up to 4 calls, 5 calls to make that closure, that can happen in a 30-minute call, because they're coming with the mindset, oh I know her, I know she gives value and I've seen her videos. So they come on the call saying अच्छा समझते हैं कि हमें कैसे help होगा, because they trust me looking at my videos.
Yeah.
So the sale happens in one call.
Perfect. So for everybody, the sale does happen on the first call, right? The exchange of intent happens on the first call. But आपकी videos कब से देख रहा है? You've told them so many concepts. Just because you haven't met the person, this has been happening for 15 years. It's magic. It's called ads. They reach out to your right audience. Pain point is solved by you. They receive the solution, and when they're free and ready to make the buying decision, they come and call you. So Get Known works. It's always worked, and today you can do it from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to go for conferences. So according to me, how I look at it is, for everything I go back to my biggest thing is my daughters. So I have to send 2 daughters to school. I don't want to touch my savings. I don't want to touch my cash flow. I want to have separate this thing for them. I don't know which school they'll go to. I was also saying sometimes they say we'll drop out of school. I'm like, oh, that's $1 million in savings right there. It is, right? But if both of them say that we want to go to Harvard, then it's 8 crore rupees for me. So that 8 crore rupees should not come from any wealth. It should come from what I'm going to do now. So then I reverse engineer and I ask myself, if a high ticket client of mine is going to take 4 months to close, which is 3 to 4 months, which is average in a B2B hotel space, then this is going to take a long time for me to create 8 crores profit, right? Which means 24 crores, 30% for tax, right? So it's going to take a long time. How should I make sure that it happens on the first call when my team goes, and second call, they say, sir, wo aapse baat karna chahte hain. That drives my Get Known videos, because this time for them to go to college is about 2 to 3 years for my elder one, and about 4-5 years for the younger one. I don't want a situation where I have to dip into my savings. So you just reverse engineer anything in your life. That what is it that I can... So this is one thing that I am looking forward to. You might say I want a car or a house or make my own office or whatever. And you can say that that is going to come from this particular segment, and I want this fast. And you can condense timelines. Like I told Devansh, you can expand timelines. 1 month is calling me stressed if I don't do it. Expand it to 24 months. So you can condense timelines also. I want 24 likes in 1 month. What should I do? This month I'm feeling strong. So more Get Known videos, shorter sales cycle. That's how it works.